Are you always looking for something to build or fix? LTC's Building Construction program is designed to prepare students for a career in the construction industry. Professionals are in heavy demand in construction-related careers. Students will learn highly transferable skills such as framing, cabinet making, project management, estimating, scheduling, finance, and contract administration. These skills provide students with the foundation and technical expertise to adapt to a continually evolving workforce.
Being here at LTC as a student, I enjoyed building the custom cabinets out at the house. I enjoyed building the shelvings for the closets. I enjoyed doing the trim work, crown molding, all that kind of stuff. And when I had the opportunity to come back, I wanted to give that chance to another student that would be able to pick up on a skill or trade that he could use later on in life.
If you want to build an exciting future, Building Construction offers a world of opportunity for real people like you.